You asked how to divide 1150 by 8 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 11. 11 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 11 minus 8 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 8 equals 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. 35 minus 32 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 8 equals 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. 30 minus 24 equals 6. The remainder is 6. The final result is 143 remainder 6.